for the last match in the lower bracket. Drivers behind the line in 3, 2, 1, go.
Here we go, our last playoff match before the finals. We have our number 3 alliance versus our number 2 alliance. The winner of this match will go on to face our number 1 alliance, which is teams 51, 67, and 84-26 in the finals at Kettering Day 2. At the end of all time, looks like we've got 28-34 Bionic Blackhawks up on that charge station for the red side. Going into the teleop portion, they're up 52-30 over our blue alliance. We've got 54-60 Strike Zone putting up a quick cube on the blue side. Their partners, 1506 Metal Muscle dropping a cube up top. Flurb joining them. They're going to drop a cone in that middle row. Over on the red side of the field, we got Hollywood putting up a couple cones for the red side. Their partners, the Robo Jackets, getting all tangled up there with Flurb. Flurb trying to go over and get loaded up from their human player. Bionic Blackhawks looking to do the same for the red side. Robo Jackets have lost that cone. Looks like they might have got stunned there by that friendly fire from Bionic Blackhawks. We got 1506 coming up and over that charge station. They're going to grab a cube, bring it back into the blue side, and try to score. We got Hollywood bringing a cone over for the red side. They're going to spin around and try to place that. Looks like they're going to go up top for the red alliance. Here comes 5843 Flurb. They've got a cone in their possession. They're going to go up top, try to complete a link over on the blue side of the field. Their partners, Metal Muscle, scoring in the middle row. Here comes Strike Zone. They've got a cone, trying to decide where to drop that. Over on the red side of the field, Hollywood's making the same decision. They've got a cone. Looks like they're going to go for the middle row. Their partners, the Robo Jackets, going to do the same. Here comes 2834, the Bionic Blackhawks, getting a little tied up on that charge station. They've got a cone in their possession. Looks like they're going to come back, drop that in the middle row as well for the Red Alliance. Just about 35 seconds left to go in this match. Flurb coming over. Looks like they're going to drop a cone down low. Their partners, Metal Muscle, have a cube in their possession. They're going to do the same. That sound means 30 seconds left in our last playoff match here. We've got blue up 151-107 on the red side. Bionic Blackhawks look like they have lost part of their bumper with 16 seconds left to go. They're going to drop a cone down low. We got 2 red robots going up. We got 3 up on the blue side with 5 seconds left in this match. Can we get those robots to balance? Just in time. Here comes your scores. Winning that match and advancing to the finals is the Blue Alliance with a score of 188-150. So Alliance number 2 will move on to our finals. Let's give a huge round of applause to Team 7211 Hollywood, Team 2834 Bionic Blackhawks, and Team 3538 Robo Jackets, Alliance number 3 for their great work today. We're going to send that back over to the fun desk to get ready for the finals.
Well, we have our next finalist coming in. It is going to be Alliance 1 versus Alliance 2 on this. Great matchup and great play overall. Unfortunate circumstances for Robo Jackets, not able to connect a lot of the match. But let's hop into the instant replay. Find out a bit more what happened here, Jim.
Yeah, again, Alliance 3 versus Alliance 2, starting off strong. Red Alliance, if you look at this, great autonomous mode by these teams. Look at this pickup by the Robo Jackets. They come back in, scored again. We end up with a 47-30 autonomous, so 17-point advantage for the Red Alliance over blue here. So
couple blue misses as we see on here. So
couple blue misses. Yeah, this shot by 1506 from the top, it misses and bounces out, and then look, the lost balance. It's a 4-point deficit for the Blue Alliance. 1506 not balancing. So Red Alliance starting off strong, had advantage, but then Robo Jackets here, I believe it's on this cycle early in the match. Yeah, maybe a little bit, maybe on the second one. I don't think it's this one.
One thing I want to point out here, watch right in the middle of the field here, you're going to see a collision happen, and Bionic Blackhawks dropping their cube right over there as they went through. So we talked about that bump and run defense before. That's definitely an aspect of that.
Yeah, and then if you watch this, Robo Jackets go in the hole, drive in the hole, and then their partner is right here, and boom, they come right back out and they slam into the Blackhawks right there. Boom, they slam into the Blackhawks right about 100 seconds, and then they're dead for about 30 seconds because of that collision. So that's a massive loss for the Red Alliance on offensive potential. It was only a small gap at that point, but now the Blue Alliance really breaks away in this 3-on-2 contest.
Yeah, and this line of play, when you're this far into the bracket, right, it's so catastrophic to lose a robot for 30 seconds or anything like that. As an aside, by the way, we see a lot of these radio issues, that sort of thing. If you don't know, starting at Chessie Champs next week, we're actually going to be testing out new radios for FRC. There was a recent blog in that, so I'm very excited to see how that results as well.
Yeah, very exciting. Some of the core electronics in FRC is if there's any kind of short power interruption, even for milliseconds, it can cause the robot to have a system reboot, which can lose 30 seconds of competition play. So the new hardware hopefully will address some of that with faster reboot times is what's reported.
I want to go back to about 55 seconds here as we go through. Watch the coordination of Blue as they go through. Every robot right here, as you see, you're going to have one robot going back, one robot going through, and one robot scoring right there. And that's a great type of coordination you look for in your cycles.
Yeah, and a lot of times intentionally getting your robots out of phase so you're not all going to the double sub, single sub hole at the same time, and trying to get opposite ends of the cycle really can help you speed up delivery. And the Blue Alliance is doing a great job of this.
And we see RoboJackets do come back to life at about 50 seconds or so as well, but unfortunately a little too late for the Red Alliance to overcome.
See, but if you look at this right here, so maybe back up a couple seconds, like at about 25 seconds again, the Red Alliance, like tough choreography, all three robots in the single sub, double sub zone at the same time, kind of a congestion point there. And then if you watch this going into the end game here, 28-34, missing a bumper. I guess we're not disabling robots for that offense here at the Kettering Kickoff, but partial robot of the Bionic Blackhawks bouncing. We got the double triple balance at the end, but not enough. Blue Alliance here with a 188 final. I believe there is 5 penalty points on that, but that matches our high score of the weekend so far.
Yeah, absolutely. Great job. Blue Alliance moving on. They're going to get some redemption. 1506 gets redemption in the finals. They played against you yesterday as well.